Is your C drive full on Windows 10 or 11? In this video, I will show you how to clean up your C drive and free up disk space to make your PC faster and smoother. Let's get started. Go to Search. In Search type Services. Right-click on Services and click on Run as Administrator. Scroll down and find Windows Update. Right-click on Windows Update and click on Stop to stop Windows Update service. Now minimize Services window. Open File Explorer. Click on this PC. Go to C drive. Click on Windows. Scroll down and find Software Definitions. Click on it. Now click on Download. You will find lots of files and folders here. Press Ctrl+A to select all and then press Shift+Delete to delete all files and folders permanently. On confirmation notifications, click on Yes. You will need administrator permission to delete these items. Click on Do this all for current items checkbox. Then click on Continue. Right-click on Start menu, go to Run. In Run type Temp. You will find lots of system temporary file here. Press Ctrl+A to select all, then press Shift+Delete. On confirmation notifications, click on Yes. Right-click on Start menu, go to Run. In Run type %temp %. You will find lots of user temporary files here. Press Ctrl+A to select all, then press Shift+Delete. To clear all temporary permanently, click on Yes. Close File Explorer. Click on Search. In Search type Disk Cleanup. Right-click on Disk Cleanup and click on Run as Administrator. This cleanup is calculating how much space you will be able to free up on C drive. Select all items here and click on OK. To clear all permanently, click on Delete Files. Right-click on Start menu, go to Task Manager. In left pane, click on Start Up Apps. If you find any app is enabled here, just right-click on it and click on Disable except Windows Security. Close Task Manager. Right-click on Start menu, go to Settings. In left pane, click on Apps. Click on Installed Apps. From here, install all unnecessary apps, as many as possible. Click on Search. In Search type Defragment. Right-click on Defragment and Optimize Drive. Then click on Run as Administrator. Here select C drive and click on Optimize. This video increase your PC performance. Right-click on Start menu, go to Settings. In left pane, click on System. Click on Storage. Click on Storage Sense and enable automatic user content cleanup. Then configure storage cleanup schedule. Then click on Run Storage Sense now. This will clean up unnecessary files, close settings, and that's it. You have successfully freed up space on your C drive and boosted your PC's performance. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips. Thanks for watching.